Hey everyone, this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. Today I'm doing a new unboxing, that is NubiaX. So here is our phone. The phone is really cool. You can see we have a display here. Yeah. So I close it. Now I move here and here we have. So this phone have dual display. Really good phone. This cost me about 480 US dollar. In China the price is 3,299 yuan. And this have a Snapdragon 845 with 6 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. They have a 128 GB storage also and 256 with plus 8 GB RAM. So the phone is really good. A new innovation by Nubia. This phone is a bezel-less, you can see, and they have no front camera. So if you want to use the front camera, you have to use the rear one, and there is the display, so you can easily click the pictures there, and you can see. So the dual camera is 16 megapixel plus 24 megapixel. It's really good. We can use the dual screen also in many ways, like if you're playing game, for example PUBG, you can use this one as your trigger or something like that. So you can use 2 points here. So it's really good. I will do the gaming review and we can see how we can use it. And I really like this phone. Like if you don't like slider phones and you like no notch and you like a bezel-less phone, so this one is really good innovation by Nubia. So today we will see the unboxing and the gaming review will be soon. I have given the giveaway of this phone for my Indian subscriber in my Hindi channel. If you want to participate in it, I will give the link and you can go there and participate, but it's only for Indian subscriber, Indian people or who live in India. So if you don't live there, so please don't participate. So now let's begin the video and see the unboxing of NubiaX and see the great innovation by Nubia. And here we go.
So here's my box and I got this cover free. So let's see the cover first and see the quality. So this cover is from Nubia also. So this one is the plastic one and it's okay for the phone as the phone is dual screen, so we need a cover. So let's see the box. NubiaX, and everything is in Chinese. The dual screen, Snapdragon 845, dual camera, dual fingerprint. This is 6 GB plus 64 GB variant. It cost me about 3,299 yuan, and in dollars it's near about $480. So let's open the box and see. So there is a small box or envelope, you can say. It's written X. So there are some instruction manual, warranty card and SIM ejector tools. So let's take the phone out. So first we'll see the charger and the USB cable.
So here we got a converter. This phone doesn't support 3.5 audio jack and the USB cable is type C. So let's see the charger. So the Nubia charger is 18 volt, so it supports quick charging 3.0. So let's see the phone. So dual camera, dual screen, there is one power on button and the fingerprint sensor, speaker, type C charging port, mic and 2 antenna arrays, one more fingerprint sensor, so they have two, one volume key, IR blaster. Here's our SIM tray. Let's open the SIM tray and see. So in the SIM tray you can see they support only 2 nano SIM. We can't use the memory card. And here IR blaster, noise cancellation and 2 antenna arrays. So let's begin our phone. Nubia. Be yourself. So the UI is Nubia UI 6. So they have mostly Chinese language and 2 English option. So let's complete the setup quickly. So here we have welcome to double side screen. So how to use it, they will show you. So we have to press both fingerprint sensor and turn around the phone like this. Wow, this is nice and easy. So the phone is completely set up. Wow. So this is a bezel-less phone with no front camera.
Let's see the features about phone. So this phone is 6 GB RAM. They have also 8 GB RAM and Android 8.1, so Android Oreo. So maybe we will get an update of Android Pie, but I'm not sure because I'm using Nubia first time. And let's try the dual screen. Yeah, so it's really work very fine. A unique concept and a great innovation by Nubia, you can say. Wow, so quick. So let's see the Antutu benchmark. So this phone have Snapdragon 845. So the score is 294,214. Really nice score of this phone with Snapdragon 845, and resolution is 1080 by 2280. CPU core 8, render and Reno 650, density 480, pixel density 320 ppi. Battery capacity is 3800 mAh and doesn't support NFC. So now let's see the double screen features. So first one is like always on display. So we can use some features which is always on display on the back side. You can see like this one, or you can write something if you want to write something. So they have so many things which we can do. You can write anything, like I can write my channel name, Life of a Gamer. So it will come always on the rear screen. So nice feature. And then next one is secondary screen touch handle. So when we play PUBG, we can use the rear screen as a handle, and we can like use L and R from the behind screen. I will show you in the gaming review touch handle. So now let's try the speaker quality of this phone. It's pretty loud and clear. Let's try TikTok now.
教你怎么合拍呀，记得点个小红心，上面有一个箭头。
你叫什么名字呀？哦，叫桂林啊！哎呦，好可爱的名字哟！你在哪里上班？哦，你在酒吧上班呀？那你多少点下班呢？哦，9点啊！你在哪里呀？我去接你呀！哎呀，你在家。空气中弥漫着浪漫的气息，就在此刻，我屏住呼吸等你。爱，如果这就是爱，我相信这是。
So the bezel-less screen really looked nice, and I really like this phone. So about the camera, this phone have dual camera, 16 megapixel plus 24 megapixel and no front camera. And let's see the features of camera. So in this we can record with 4K front and back video quality. So they have one camera only, no front camera. So they have so many options. You can see here slow motion, clone, DNG, slow shutter. Although I will do it in camera review. And if you want to take a selfie, you have to move your camera, turn around like this and click the selfie. So it's nice. You have a screen. So hope you like this unboxing video. Please like, share and subscribe.